Good morning, students. We have already started with the topic called the nutrition. We have finished with the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. In today's class, let's focus on the important part of a protein, its deficiency disorders in detail. Proteins are the large chemical molecules. The major constituent of protein is a nitrogen. Along with the nitrogen, protein contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Amino acids are the simple, smaller units of the proteins. The protein which is mainly required for the repair of body cells and the tissues. Deficiency of proteins leads to weakness, but its severe deficiency causes two diseases. That is, kwashiorkor and marasmus. Let's study in detail about the kwashiorkor. It affects the children from 1 to 5 years of age. It is due to the deficiency of proteins in the diet. Symptoms include underweight, belly protruding out, enlarged liver and anemia, edema of the feet and the face, that is the swelling of the feet and the face, mainly due to the accumulation of water in the tissues of the feet and the face. The skin of a child becomes dark and scaly, and there is no degeneration of the muscles. Control and the treatment method includes the child who is suffering from the kwashiorkor should be given a protein-rich diet consisting of pulses, milk, egg, fish, and meat. The second type of protein deficiency disorder, which usually affects infants below the age of 1 year, is marasmus. It is mainly due to the deficiency of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the diet. Symptoms include less body weight, degeneration of a muscle, skin and the bones, thin face and thinning of limbs, retarded physical and the mental growth, and even the ribs appearing prominent. And there is no darkening of a skin. Control and the treatment method includes the child who is suffering from the marasmus should be given a diet rich not only in proteins but also in the carbohydrates and the fats. Next, it's all about the mineral salts. Minerals are needed in the diet in the smaller quantities. Hence, minerals are referred as micronutrients. Some important mineral elements and their nutritional value are given in table 10.2 of page 99. Let's begin with the macronutrient which is needed in the larger quantity. That is the calcium. The main source of calcium is a dairy food, beans and the cabbage. Its major function includes which is required for the muscle contraction, clotting of blood, and even it is a major constituent of bones and the teeth. If any deficiency in calcium results in poor skeletal growth. Second important type of macronutrient is sodium, and the main source of sodium is a table salt, which is mainly required for the acid-base equilibrium in the body. Deficiency disorder of a sodium includes muscle cramps and even the nerve impulses do not get transmitted. Next, potassium. The major source of potassium is banana, potato and mainly the citrus fruits. Its major function includes muscle activity and secretion of the neurotransmitter, the chemical acetylcholine. If any deficiency in the potassium results in the nerve impulses do not get transmitted. phosphorus, which can be obtained from the cereals, beans, nuts, meat and egg, which is majorly required for the synthesis of nucleic acid and even for the muscle contraction. Phosphorus deficiency results in the soft bones. Magnesium. The major function of the magnesium is the synthesis of the enzymes, and it forms the bones and the teeth structure. Deficiency of magnesium results in increased irritability of nervous system. Sulfur, which can be obtained majorly from onion, garlic and radish. It is a major component of protein and the coenzymes. Deficiency of the sulfur results in the skin problem. Chlorine. As we all know, chlorine is very much essential for the water balance and also for the secretion of HCl, the important gastric juice which helps in the digestion. Deficiency of the chlorine results in the muscle cramps. This is all about the macronutrients. Now, let us focus on the micronutrients, that is, the nutrients which are required in the lower proportions. First, it's about the iron. Iron can be obtained from the fish, nut, egg, yolk, liver, etc. Synthesis of hemoglobin is mainly due to the presence of iron. If any deficiency of iron results in anemia, it's a disorder where the deficiency of hemoglobin in the blood. Cobalt, which is mainly required for the development of red blood cells, and it is a major component of vitamin B12. Deficiency of the cobalt results in pernicious anemia. Copper, obviously, which is required for the production of melanin and also for the synthesis of enzymes. Deficiency of copper results in the loss of body weight and in severe cases anemia. Zinc, which can be obtained from the pulses, cereals and the meat, which is majorly required for the carbon dioxide transport in the blood. Any deficiency of zinc in the diet can cause stunted growth and even albinism. Iodine. Iodinized salt and the water C-fits are the major constituent of iodine, which is majorly required for the thyroxine hormone which is secreted by the thyroid gland. Deficiency of iodine results in goiter and also the cretinism in the children, that is, the poor mental and also the physical growth. Next, it's fluorine, which is a major source of the fluorine is a water or the milk, and it is a major component of tooth enamel and the bone. Deficiency of the fluorine results in dental decay. Manganese. The major source of manganese are the vegetables, which is majorly required for the bone development. And obviously, if any deficiency of a manganese results in poor bone development. Molybdenum. The major source of molybdenum are the pulses, cereals and the meat, which is majorly required for the nitrate assimilation. Deficiency disease of a molybdenum is the slight retardedness of a growth.